Good morning, student. I am again with you with my favorite subject math and very simplest subject in all subjects. So today we will see practice set 15 standard 7th and subject math. Here is angle and one uh, according to this angle we have to complete this table. The question is that observe the figure and complete the table for angle A W B. Observe this figure and complete this table. So here are one angle and lots of point here. Some points are interior, some exterior and some in the arm. So we have to write here points in interior. Interior side means we know interior mean this is the interior side of the angle. So these points are the interior points. So we put here first of all points in interior. Here point R is interior, point C is interior, point N is interior again, and point X is interior. These 4 points are interior point. Then we have tell that points in exterior. I have written short form interior, exterior, and points on arms. Point in exterior. Exterior means outside point, and interior means inside points. So here is a in exterior points. Look at this figure. This is interior side of the angle and this is exterior side of the angle. So these points are the exterior point. Here is point T, point U, point Q, point V, and finally point Y. So you know the term interior and exterior. In our house also these things which are in the room is interior and those things which are out out of the house is exterior. So here is you clear the term interior and exterior, and finally this term remain points on the arm. We look at this point. This point is on the arm, this point is on the arm of angle, this point is on the arm of angle, and this point is also arm of angle. So here we points of arm. Points on arm is A, W, Z, and B. So this practice it is complete and it is very simple. I hope you understand the points on interior, points in exterior, and points on the arm. Thanks. Love to all. Take care.